DWG is the native format of AutoCAD. It is the industry standard. You don't need AutoCAD to view it. The free DWG TrueView from Autodesk works perfectly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the viewer. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small DWG errors. Take a shortcut and download now. Any software handling DWG must first recognize it as a standard 3D CAD file element. The AutoCAD Drawing Database File convention is used to store its contents. The DWG file type is the native data format for AutoCAD and is classified as a proprietary CAD, computer-aided design, drawing file. It serves as a container for all 2D and 3D geometric data, including lines, curves, and design specifications required to render and manipulate complex engineering and architectural models. The format was created and maintained by Autodesk, Inc. The design rules are proprietary and focus on storing highly structured vector data. This proprietary nature is critical. While other programs can import DWG files, full editing capabilities often require strict adherence to Autodesk's internal file, versioning, and database structure. The direct link for opening DWG files is established with Autodesk AutoCAD from Autodesk, Inc. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows can show only simplified info, so detailed examination calls for full 3D modeling software. Let's start the diagnostic. Right-click the DWG file and select Open with. Test Autodesk AutoCAD if it appears. You may need to systematically try a few applications. When your DWG file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, check file association. Reassociate the DWG file type with the correct program, such as AutoCAD or DWG TrueView. Double-clicking a DWG may fail if the Windows registry entries for the file type association are invalid or missing. Next, open inside the application. Instead of double-clicking, open your CAD program first, then use the file. Open menu or drag and drop the DWG directly into the drawing window. This method bypasses potentially corrupted Windows registry or DWG launcher settings. Finally, repair the drawing. If the file opens with errors, use AutoCAD's internal recovery tools. Run the recover, audit, and purge commands. This process checks and repairs internal damage, fixes errors, and removes unused elements. If every available program is exhausted, specialized third-party software is the required final intervention. It's worth trying for your DWG file. Your best next step is File Magic. It opens almost every DWG file type and is available right now at filemagic.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel. Keep troubleshooting, and don't give up on those tough files.